Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make money online starting today, make sure you stay tuned for this whole video because I'm going to tell you how to do it. Welcome back, guys. We're talking about Prizrebel today. My name's Courtney. If you want to learn how to earn money online doing side hustles, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you get notified when I drop a new video every single day. Today, we're going to talk about Prizrebel. As I said previously, there's a survey bonus. You can also do your daily challenge, your reward goal, share your link just like me. Every 100 points is $1 on Prizrebel. All these things to do. I'll go step by step through them with you. What I did today to start earning some money. If you're interested in things like that, keep watching. So the levels is bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Okay. Once you get to diamond, you're at the top. Get 30% referral, automatic prize processing, 3% of special bonus, and 3% prize discount on everything but PayPal. You want to try to get to gold so you have automatic prize processing. Your daily challenge, you want to try to hit this every single day. Mine's reach $1, receive 5 points. Okay, I have 35 cents left to receive my bonus. If I do this for 5 days, they give me 30 cents. Okay. Your reward goal, you can change that if you want to join a raffle. I have not done any surveys today. I have done offer walls. You jump into every single offer wall, and I usually hit most popular so that I know that they're crediting. I go to free. If you want to sign up for Hulu, you're going to get $1.78. If you want to do Turbo Debt, $2.20. Revolt Web, 1,100 points, $11. HBO Max, $1.92 back. If you do 500 Shell gas, 82 cents. I do recommend that every time you try to do these offers, you clear your cookies and your cache. Go up on, if you're using Chrome, go to history, click clear history, clear your basic and your advanced, and then log back in and then do your offers. Okay. I also watch videos. Let me click this for you so you can see what I've done today. Today is the 11th, so I cashed out 17 cents on videos. I did a 25-cent offer on Revenue Universe. I watched some videos on AdGate, and I played some more videos. That's all that I've completed today. You see, I have 65 cents. The goal is $5. 65 cents. Points earned today, 64. Points earned yesterday, $2.37. Points earned this month, $4.41. Points earned this year, $14.68. Lifetime points, $670.49. 117 rewards claimed, 119 referrals, and 0 referral points, which means my referrals are not giving me money. If you sign up under me and you do offers and you do surveys, yes, they're going to pay me a percentage. Also, that's how referrals work. I have 63 clicks, 0 today's referral, total referrals, and 0 points. Okay. I have 6 people clicked yesterday, no signups. 3 the day before, no signups. 1 the day before, no signups. People are clicking, but they're not staying focused. You've got to use this site every single day. There's so many surveys that you can do. Your daily survey, 78 cents. Pro, Taluna, Innovate, Say So, Spectrum, InBrain, and Cherries. All right, guys. What I want you to do is every single day, I want you to start a YouTube channel and share your results with people. Show them that they can do this. Show them the offers that you're completing and how they can mimic it. because everybody can make at least $35 extra a week. Then you work up to $10 a day, which is $300 a month extra income. Okay. So I want you guys, if you do $5 a day, that's $150 extra a month. $10 is $300 a day. So work up to that, guys. Work up to that. You can do this. I believe in you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.